So is this park closed?
No.
No.
That's just so cars can't go.
All right, so there's a fence here. We're gonna go right around it. That hasn't stopped us before, and into the park. This is the crew for
Get the
today.
fuck out of my face.
Every time, Z. You want to tell the viewers what you think of this park so far?
It's a vast emptiness.
All right, lots of open spaces. Should be great.
I didn't even know Amherst had a state park.
All right, we got some deer over there. That looks like
looks good. Looks tasty. Put a little salt, little pepper on that thing.
I mean, we had deer sausage when we went to the Bills game.
Hey, so I'm about to shut up for this video.
Yeah, I think it's great.
It is pretty nice. It'd be nice if the sun was out though. I thought it'd be warmer.
Feel like a sauna though.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, it was pretty warm this morning.
Come on, Zito, get over here, Z.
I'm waiting.
What are you waiting for? Eventually, we got to get over this bridge over here.
This is the bridge, huh?
Yeah.
So,
A collection of logs and
doesn't look like much of a bridge.
2x4s.
I'm literally gonna fall.
Grab onto this stick, maybe.
I don't think today's the right day to do this.
Yeah, we're already in
Where we
it.
gotta go?
We just got to get across there, and then it flattens out, I think.
Oh, well, that's easy enough.
Come on.
I've had these shoes for like 6 years. I just got these.
Armour, he ruined it for everyone.
These are LeBron's.
Sorry.
Not anymore.
Bloody LeBron.
We're in.
Go get it.
Oh my God, that's a big guy.
You're doing great, little buddy.
Yeah, he's doing all right.
Our resident animal whisperer.
Our animal whisperer. I love how
Squirrel
you...
did come up to me.
I was going to say, I love how you talk to that squirrel.
That squirrel was definitely hungry. Or at least in need of a snack.
He wanted a peanut.
He saw you.
I am a snack. Guys, watch out for the tree.
Okay, buddy.
Only looking out for you.
I'm sliding around. Yeah, I just grabbed that tree. It just dripped water everywhere.
Eric, watch out for the mud. Always keep them clean. Alright, mate, you made it. 2020.
We're actually about halfway there.
Oh wow, I love how you spelled Corona wrong.
It's really edgy.
We're about halfway there. Let me get up there so I can get the view.
God, people are so cool.
Look at that deer.
Cool to me, of course.
You can see the deer real well from over here. Z, come up here and look at these deer.
3, 4. There's more than 4 there, I think.
Plenty of them.
Alright guys, so I say we team one of them. Riding the rest of the way. Anybody get a saddle?
There's one right here. Look at this one.
One single person got a saddle. Oh, wow. Hi. Are they all dogs?
Go join your friends, it's cool.
Yeah, we're not gonna do anything. Nobody shares a fucking saddle.
Damn it.
We're joking.
Plus, he texts me and then I call him back.
Oh,
There you go. Good for you.
majestic creatures. Oh, is that a baby?
Join your friends.
No, they're not responding to my text, that motherfucker.
Nice.
I'll eat them up with.
Yeah. Are we picking you up?
Who is this?
And we have Mel's car. Mel.
What's up?
He wants to know if you're willing to pick him up.
Oh no, definitely not.
Not right now, at least, because we're already halfway through the park.
He said like in like half an hour.
Oh, later?
Or half an hour to an hour.
Oh,
I'll
yes.
move to the back seat now.
No, if he wants to come, he gets drunk. That's the only option.
He says you get to sit
Hey,
in the
what?
front.
I wanted that.
He says he'll do it.
It's got my hockey equipment in there. It's been in there for 2 months. So.
Oh, never mind.
She says her hockey equipment's been in there for 2 months, but you'll have to do that.
Oh, quick,
And
let's
golf
go.
clubs.
And my golf club.
Mel, you going swimming?
I go swimming.
Yeah, I'll call you when we're done.
Should be doing an interview with me.
Okay, bye.
Perfect setting.
I mean, if you want to blow up on YouTube.
Yeah, feel free.
If you
to,
really.
Feel
Wait,
free
why am I not recording? What the?
Feel free to talk to the viewers here.
Subscribe to Rena Reran. Oh wait, sorry. Subscribe to Melody Martin. Then Rena Reran. Then MaximumGoose. I shouted you out.
You did. It was a kind of a half-assed shout out, but
To everyone.
I'll take it. So when this was all dry, we crossed across here.
This was dry.
It was like this side path, at least here, right where I'm pointing,
Right.
because it rained, so it was flooded. But you could see the rocks on the bottom. Like you could step on those rocks; they were so shallow.
Right.
And we walked across to this field on the inside there. It's now water, but and then we walked along the bank up to that corner, and we went across like a branch through the middle there to that place where that swimming hole type of thing is. No, you can see the rope over here though. Yeah, but this is where Kaz and I walked, and we went across here, and we were on the other side. But Nick dipped his foot in the river like right over there.
Oh, good job, Nick.
So yeah, that was funny.
Sounds pretty funny. I'd love to be there.
Nice.
Now they're like almost back to normal.
Minor. I'll look it over here as well.
I do like this path.
Oh my ass. All right, so here's.
It's actually cool seeing the river when it's like full.
It is actually pretty nice.
Because last time, like I told you, it was like almost dry.
Alright, so let's go for a swim.
Now we're
Go for a swim? Alright, we're going to do it. Yeah, we'll start way over there. We'll start way over there. Alright, so
we have to follow. No, we have to follow Zito's swim.
Zito, explain the rules here for the viewers.
Exercise like you
So basically this.
at the falls.
Alright, actually, wait, no, this is all going downhill. You'd have a really big advantage if you went that way, huh? Alright,
No,
both
like you would go with the water. I would go against it because I'm just that much better than you.
you are much better than me.
Right.
So if that's the case,
Yeah.
you will start at that tree right there.
Sure.
You're gonna swim as fast as you can, and I'm going to just start swimming that way. Alright? Now the goal is to basically, it's gonna be a finish.
Okay.
Whoever finishes first gets a free car. Yes, you heard it here, folks. Rena Reran has officially gotten a car for one of us to win. If you guys like to see it, check out our content. Now, we're gonna keep walking, and we'll explain more rules as we go. I got no car, guys. Fuck. I totally just said that was spiked. Oh my god. Mel actually can get
For
paid.
my
I can't.
cameo.
If you shout it out on your channel, I'm sure you'll get more subscribers if you with the crossover event.
With the crossover event?
I know you
Mel's
you were
not filming right
you were trying to shoot down my crossover event when I was commenting it on your post, and
I did because
yet
I felt
you're
like
here.
You didn't appreciate my last attempt at a crossover.
No, I definitely appreciate it. I just
I don't
think
you did.
I just think you're so minutely featured on my channel that we need to fix that and
I agree.
get some more
I agree.
features.
But like I have a certain cost that like, you know.
All right, how much does Re and Rerun have to pay for your services?
How much just
You get a
re?
discount.
per video? Yeah,
Per
you guys get a discount. Yeah.
Ooh,
Oh,
I'm thinking like 10,000 a video.
10,000 a
Wait, what?
video.
Yeah.
Nice.
10,000 a video.
Yeah.
You have the budget for that.
Is that in your budget?
Bought a
of all-
$2,500 box off the dark web. You got the budget.
All right, wait. Can I run it by with Eric first? And then run it by you.
Sure.
Okay. Both of your financing.
Oh, well, how the fuck? Okay. Eric, do I have the budget to offer her a free video, right? Food, free of charge. Because someone didn't do it last time, by the way.
Are you providing her alcohol as well?
I got a whole entire bar in my house.
That'll probably seal the deal.
See the deal? All right.
Especially
You're-
and some Loganberry.
Logan Berry like pop.
Yeah.
What do you say, Mel?
What do you got for me? What's the final offer?
All right, Mel. We got all the alcohol you want.
Okay.
A free video. All right, so it will be free.
So I don't get paid. But I get
I mean,
paid
you're getting
for
paid in
You get what's the thing called?
perks.
You get like the respect. You get the views.
Okay.
You get
More
subscribers.
publicity. That's what it is. More publicity.
Okay.
Okay. And this time, food.
Oh, okay.
Like food is a big thing for you, right? You love food.
What kind of food though?
Cheese puffs.
What do you cheese puffs?
I like cheese puffs. I like gummy bears.
Logan berries?
Ooh, I like gummy bears.
With the Logan berry, I got two views of Logan berry and then one kid to take home.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think we might be onto something.
And then to seal the deal, everyone show the deal with.
I like chocolate.
I will give you a dog toy for your dogs and chocolate.
Oh, then that's settled. I thought you were gonna say you were gonna give me a dog. I was gonna
Okay, first of all, I can't afford it.
He's giving you a chocolate lab.
chocolate lab. I will be the first one for the chocolate.
What is a chocolate? That's not a dog, right? 'Cause it's a dog.
It is a dog.
How about if I give you
It's a
chocolate?
brown. It's a version of her dog, but brown.
I got this. I'll give you a chocolate bar while wearing a lab coat.
Or a chocolate shaped in.
She might just do that.
Well, that's actually not.
That's you know what? You got yourself a deal.
All right, there we go.
This is still gonna be 25,000.
Elbow. Yeah. All right. We elbowed it.
Zito, stop digging. You already hit gold.
I just want to make sure. I need to make sure because this is. Oh my god! We're almost there. We made it.
But
I want to make sure.
I'm glad I got that on camera.
This is gonna be a video. I know. But I am not an amateur.
Okay, that's good.
Me and Ryan have been doing this for far longer.
I'm not.
you saw them.
I wouldn't say I'm amateur.
What,
I'm
amateur?
definitely low budget.
Well, no, amateur.
Tzeets is poking. You're amateur.
Low budget is a different thing than amateur, though.
Yeah.
Zito, you just sprayed us all with water.
I'm working.
I'll do that.
Zito, get your prom picture with Mel.
Oh,
That's not proper social distancing.
there we go. Oh, there we go. 6 feet.
No, you,
Social distancing prom thing.
yeah, social distancing prom pic. That's perfect.
Yeah, there we go. All right. We have fun with prom. We have fun with prom. Why'd you start running?
We gotta get in
Look at my fucking pocket. Stop being a bitch, Eric. Look at this. Oh God, wait, wait. Oh, no, don't make me forget. Oh my God, my pocket. Oh my God, still going.
I don't know why you. Here we go, now we're officially in shape for real.
Oh my God!
All right, Z. You want to get an interview for the viewers here?
Sure.
Tell us what it's like.
I'll go over here.
Tell us what it's like to finally complete that path.
Well, it's a great way to stay in shape. We need to learn dental hygiene. We need to learn how to communicate. I'm on a breath. So, one of the story is kids do drugs and stay in shape.
You are nuts, man. You're nuts.
If you fall, you're like that.
I'm not dead.
Hey, Z, look. Z, look this way. Alright.
Alright. Show me my Tinder. Grinder.
Yeah.
Ryan's already on that. Alright, so we're gonna start by doing some squats, alright? So I want everybody to put their hands forward like this, right? Alright. I want your feet to be parallel with your shoulders, alright? And then you just put your hands together, bring it back, squat down, look up. I don't want no bad posture, Eric, I saw that. Don't do it again. Look down, and then up. You want your back, do it again. You want your back to be nice and straight like that, perfect. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, that's how it is. You want to get in shape for hockey? Let's go. I don't know what the. Mel's got it. Oh my God. Alright, let's go. There you go. I like that one. That's perfect form. I like it. Down. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna go to push-ups now. We're gonna do some push-ups now. Come on, Eric, come on.
That's not happening.
Alright, fine. I want some jumping jacks, Eric. Go.
Wait on you.
You do not like this. No. You have to piss yet?
Yes!
Alright, there we go. Good job, good job. And to finish it off, we're gonna do some burpees. You know what burpees are?
You.
Burpees?
Let's do it.
Alright, I forgot how you start. You do it again. I don't know. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I'm tired. Let's go. Let's get good workout. No?
I got tired watching you.
4 stars. 2. You won't even
Pass.
try.
So, what do you think of this hike so far, Mel?
It's been a great hike. A lot of good business has been done, so I think it was very productive.
Do you think my viewers will appreciate it, and maybe some of your viewers will come over and watch the video?
Do I think that? No, but I think that both of your viewers will enjoy this video. So yeah.
Look at these ducks.
Yeah.